Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about dividend stocks, and we also talk about personal finance on this channel. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification button to get my frequent updates. Well, I want to thank everybody for joining the channel and subscribing. Just hit over 1,000 subscribers. So thank all the people for watching the channel over the last year or so, and also subscribing. Well, now we're going to get into the top stocks, and the top stocks today was Tesla. Tesla, of course, was one of the top stocks today. As you can see, it was up 6.56%. And Nvidia, the artificial intelligence stock with the new chip going into the data center, was up another 2.63%. So Nvidia on a tear. Also, Amazon shares held their own today. They were up just 0.29%. And GBTC Grayscale Bitcoin Fund was up another 11.44%. Okay, so those were some top performing stocks today. Now we're going to go over to the Robinhood. Okay, here we are in the Robinhood Portfolio, and today we were up a simple 1%, so that was great news, up a little over 26%. And as you can see the chart here, we were in the red most of the day. In the red starting off the day, we stayed in the red. We're down 0.5%, and then late in the day, we started to pick up. So after the day got really started, we ended up popping up over 1% of the day after being down for over 2% during the morning hours. Okay, so that was the reflection of the Robinhood Portfolio today. Now let's take a quick look at some more of those top stocks. Okay, so let's take a quick look at Tesla. I think Tesla was the top stock of the day. So let's take that Tesla chart as we zoom into Tesla. The news was that Rivian, another EV maker, has decided to partner with Tesla. Okay, so Tesla shares today were up slightly, 5.35% during regular trading hours, and then they were up another 1.32% after hours as Rivian adopts the Tesla standard. Okay, so that means that Rivian trucks will be able to charge at the Rivian trucks be able to charge at Tesla station. So here it is on CNBC. It says EV maker Rivian to adopt Tesla's charging standard. Okay, so that gives Rivian's stock a slight boost, up 0.5%, while giving Tesla a 1.33% boost. Now, this is the third major automaker in the last couple of weeks to sign on with Tesla. Last week it was GM, and the week before it was Ford. So again, EV makers, the new EV maker Rivian has agreed to adopt Tesla's charging standard, giving customers access to the biggest charging network. So that was the top news today, and late hours today was Tesla making a huge partnership again with Rivian, and Rivian adopting the Tesla charging standard. Unfortunately, by them partnering with Tesla or using their charging station, that puts ChargePoint, another major EV charging company that just does EV charging by itself, that puts ChargePoint in a difficult position. Okay, so again, EV maker Rivian adopts Tesla charging standard. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the TD Ameritrade account, and as you can see, we're up 1.42%. 1.42%, not bad. Most of that was Tesla, so that was the big gain of the day. Tesla was again my top stock today. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, was up 6.71% for a gain of $800. Second place, as we talked about earlier, Nvidia shares continue to gain momentum. The artificial intelligence chip maker was up 2.60%. Also, PayPal did get into action. PayPal was up slightly 3.87%. And SoFi Technologies, after being down most of the day, if you take a quick look at SoFi Technology, they did get downgraded last week. So several people came out and downgraded the stock, but it held its own. Okay, so it didn't go below $8.10. So that's good news for SoFi. Even with the downgrades, it still maintained its position. So I did buy some more SoFi below $9 a share today. And then also we did have SPCE, Virgin Galactic. The company was on the ropes of bankruptcy. Was looking pretty difficult for Virgin Galactic, but they did spark some new information. I think they're doing a test launch next month. So the shares have been up over 27% on the day. Okay. So those were some top stocks. Now let's look at the opportunities. Okay, as we mentioned, ChargePoint got hit, down another 6.98% as news that another EV maker will adopt Tesla standard. UPST is down. Upstart Holdings, a fintech company, is down 9.99%. Okta, which has struggled ever since their earnings call, they have lost over 10% on their stock. Was trading at $93 right before the earnings call, and then once they gave their forecast, the stock fell. But some safer sees Microsoft did cool off today a bit, down 1.16%. You could have picked up some Microsoft. And also Ford Motor Company, a great EV maker. Again, they've partnered with Tesla. They did a good strategic move. Again, those shares have been up over the last month, over 5%. Ford holding its own, only down 1.38%. I've done many videos where the shares were bouncing between $10 and $12, and now they're back up around 13, 14. It's looking good for Ford Motor Company. Also, they do pay a dividend as well. And also check out AMD again. They are part of the artificial intelligence race. AMD chip is a competitor to Nvidia. They expect to have their artificial intelligence chip out sometime late this year, near December. Okay, so those were some opportunities. Again, Microsoft being most favorable. They are the giant. They are the cloud guys. They've had a lot of contracts with the government. So Microsoft, a good AI artificial plus cloud maker. Shares now slightly 1.16%. A great place to put your money. It's very much Microsoft and Apple are pretty safe single stocks to get into. So if you want to buy some fractional share of Microsoft or Apple, please check out the Robinhood platform. And so again, top stock of the day, Tesla up 6.71% for a gain of $800. And Nvidia in second place, holding strong, up over $400 a share for a gain of $44. So again, top stock of the day was Tesla. They had a partnership with Rivian. Rivian has adopted Tesla charging standard, and so that is the news. Again, Tesla shares today surging over 5.35%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.